Welcome to Hustle Tech University School of Technology. In today's video, we're going to show you how to save, render, and export your video files across multiple platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Let's go. First of all, let's get the legalities out of the way. Hustle Tech University is not affiliated or sponsored by Shotcut in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video publication. Hustle Tech University in the building once again. My name is Jesus, CAIN, independent artist and creative designer. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials, show us some love, like the video, make yourself at home, subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to save, render, and export your video files across multiple platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. All gas, no brakes, we're going in.
How to save, render, and export in Shotcut. We have our video right here. Let's say that I like the way it is. It's finished. Let's take a look at this clip. It's very short.
This amazing cocktail is an appetizer and a cocktail at the same damn time. Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages, Bloody Mary.
Okay, this is a video that I produced for my other channel. Shout out to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages on YouTube. Check it out, subscribe. I got a lot of nice recipes over there, as well as adult beverage cocktail recipes. Okay, so we have our video. We like the way it is. We're ready to save, render, and export it to a MP4 file. Once you have the video the way that you like, the next thing you want to do is either go here or up here to export. I'm gonna go down here, and we're gonna scroll all the way up to here. Now look at all of these options. I've never checked out all of them, but the best one that you want to use is YouTube. It saves the file as a MP4, which can be used across a variety of platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So I like to choose this selection here. Once you select YouTube, you go to Export File. This is where you give it a name. You save it. As you can see in the upper right hand corner right here, it is saving and rendering this audio and video file to a complete MP4, which can be used across multiple platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. It's a short video here, but I guess it's about almost 18 seconds, so it isn't going to take long for the process. It only took less than a minute. Our video file has been saved, rendered, and exported into an MP4 file and saved into a folder which I selected. That is how you save, render, and export video or audio files in Shotcut. Very simple process.
If you have any questions, any concerns, or comments about this Shotcut process or any other Shotcut tutorial that we produce, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality equipment for your YouTube channel? Use the link that we provide in the video description box below, and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate you in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with Hustle Tech University until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials and you haven't already done so, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus, CAIN. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.